Hey guys, I'm super excited for my second costume of this year. It is a DIY Bratz doll, and I'm making the Bratz doll box, and then I'm going to make my face turn into a Bratz doll using a YouTube tutorial that I found online, so I'll also link that down below. But I wanted to show you guys how I made the box, what clothes I chose, and also how I did my makeup. I won't do a full tutorial on the makeup because someone already did it, so I'll link that down below and give her credit. And let's get started! Happy Halloween! The first thing I have to do for my costume is find the actual costume. And so I just looked into my closet and my mom's closet and found these items right here. I thought they looked very Bratz dollish. And I had these plastic boots from an old Halloween costume that I did. This cute little bag. You know, those girls are all about the passion for fashion. So I think this is gonna look really cute, and I thought this pattern looked kind of 90s, so it would work. Now I have to go make my box. I went with Chloe because she was one of my favorites when I was younger. I also loved Yasmin, but I think because I look a little more like her, it's going to be easier to create as a costume. Obviously, if you want to be a different Bratz doll, you just print out a different symbol and then print out a different name and cut those out and then paste those onto the box. Next thing you want to do is kind of just lay out where you want the cutouts to be. Sorry, I'm outside, so the shadows are going to be a little annoying, but I wanted to show you guys what I'm doing, so just bear with me. So I kind of just placing like what I want them to look like, and then I looked at an actual photo of the Bratz dolls box, and they're more diagonal, so I'm not going to be super true to the box. I'm just going to kind of keep it square like a Barbie box, unfortunately. But I'm going to paste these after I paint this part, and then I know I'm going to cut these away, so I'm not going to paint this because then that'd be a waste of paint. So once I cut this out, then I'll paint around it, but I know for sure I'm going to keep the bottom here, so I'm going to go ahead and paint this first with my paint over here, and then I'm going to glue these on top of it. Okay, so then you're going to grab the color of your choice and start painting your box. And I forgot to take off my print off, so gotta take it off now. So I found these scissors that have a box cutter at the end, and at the bottom of the box I'm just box cutting around in a square so that still some of the box is connected, and this is where your feet are going to go through. And I'm just cutting around here, and this will pop right out like this, and then see, this is the bottom, and your feet will come out from here, but there's a little left right here connecting it so it doesn't fall apart and you don't have to tape it. That's just going to be a hassle, so try to keep the box connected as much as possible. Okay, just finishing up this last little part right here, and it should come off. Yep, there we go. And that's going to be the bottom of your box so your feet can go through. Okay, so I did the same thing for the top. I put my little cutouts at the top where I wanted them, and then I started to trace around and cut as close as possible. I had a little left over right here, but that's okay because it will layer over on top of the plastic part. And now I'm just going to cut this part out, and then I'm going to make a little cutout on the side for the free poster inside. And then it should be pretty much done with the cutting part, so I'm gonna keep going. Alright, so I brought my laptop out here because I'm about to paint the whole box, and I want to watch a Halloween movie while I do it, so here I go.
You can keep this.
Alright, so now I am hot gluing my little cutouts. So I put that one down, and the next one is the name. Alright, so far this is what I got. Still got to add some things, but it's coming along really nicely. I'm really happy about it. So the last thing I have to do for my box is put on this plastic wrap that I found just to make it look more like an actual box you'd buy in the toy store. And it's pretty clear. I was a little concerned that I wasn't going to be able to see myself inside, but I think it gives the same effect and I'll be able to see myself. So I just hovered that over on top of my box, and then I'm going to cut it and hot glue it into the sides of the box here. Alright, my box is now finished. I think it looks really, really good. I'm pretty impressed with myself. This is a DIY costume, so it's definitely not going to be perfect, and that's okay. That's the whole fun of a DIY costume. Now I'm going to go get my outfit on, do my makeup, and show you the final product. Well, I didn't nail the makeup look, but I think it's pretty close. Hi, I'm Chloe. Hey guys, so this is my final costume. This is the box. And my makeup. I'm a Bratz doll. Super cute. Well guys, that was another great Halloween. I hope you enjoyed this costume and the makeup and everything that came with it. I hope you learned from this tutorial, and I can't wait to see everyone's costumes tonight. I'm gonna go scroll through my phone right now, but I wanted to get this up before the night was over. I am on East Coast time right now, so I know some people will already be asleep, but hopefully watch it in the morning. If not, there's always next year. And yeah, time for Christmas. Bye guys.